Good morning from across the fence farm. This is Heather with a really cool tip that I just learned this year about how you can get many tomato plants and therefore zillions of tomatoes from one plant. Stay tuned and I'm going to show you how to do that. This is my Sweet 100 cherry tomato. As you can see, it's got some good fruit on there. Lots coming up. Look at that. These guys always produce so many great little tomatoes. And as the name implies, super sweet. So how in the heck do you get more tomato plants from one tomato plant? It's called suckers. I just learned this year. I can't believe I didn't know it before. And then what is a sucker? This is a sucker right here. And you see how it is coming out of the crotch of a branch. You've got the branch here, and then this branch is the primary or secondary branch coming out, but then this guy's coming right out of the center. So there's several of those. Normally I just pinch them off because you don't really want to encourage that growth on the plant, but you want to have your fruit coming from the main side branches, such as here and here. Okay. And actually, that in itself is another sucker with fruit coming on it. So I may well take that one off. Anyhow, there's so many things to say, I can digress. Here's another sucker right here. You see, here's the main. These two guys right here. And this is the sucker, the one coming out in the middle. So, I have done this. I have taken off suckers once I learned this tip. And then, what you do is just stick those suckers. You don't do anything to them other than put them in the ground. Keep them watered, just like you were putting in a start or a seedling. And look at this. That thing has taken off, grown more greenery, and has not only flowers, but fruit. Now, I did this experiment with 4 suckers that I took off. That's 1. There's 2. Also has fruit on it. Here's number 3 with fruit and blossom. And here's number 4. Also has blossoms on it. This is insane. I thought there's no way this could work. I did nothing. I did not put rooting hormone on the bottom of the sucker that I pulled. Nope. I simply just stuck them in the ground and then treated them, like I said, just like if I'd put a transplant in. And they went crazy, obviously. So, you don't have to buy tons of transplant seedlings. Oh, it's amazing. So, in order to, take a sucker off, you can clip it, or this one's a little bit more mature, but it just easily just snaps off. And boom, take that baby and just put it right in the ground, right here, just like that. Put some good depth on it, so there's quite a bit. And then water it like a transplant, like a seedling that's been transplanted. It's going to blow your mind. And you're going to wind up with so many tomatoes and tomato plants. It's great. There's your tip. If this was helpful to you, boy, please do like it. Share it with your gardening pals. And happy gardening. Happy summer. Happy fruiting. Happy sustainable living. Give that subscribe button a click too, if you would, to get more healthful and sustainable living tips on my channel. Take great care.